Okay, so today what we're going to do is add some text in the footer that will always say this year and who it's created by, and have a copyright symbol there. So this will update each year. You won't have to go back and amend it. So we're going to add some text. And I'm going to type in there, made by Doriel, created by Doriel, test. Then we need to switch on the developers mode. And you will see a new window will appear at the bottom. So down here is where we're going to place our code. So in the footer, because this is in the footer, we will be placing the code over in the master pages. So this relates to anything in the footer or the header. So if you select the text element, and we're going to scroll down to view port enter. So this function is going to happen every time this element comes into view. So press enter or click that add symbol. I generally delete all of this grey text, and I'm just going to increase the size of the box. So I'm going to ignore this area here, the onReady function. This function will happen when the text element comes into view. So we're going to paste the code in here. Okay, and you can see here that it's getting the correct year, and then it's going to add the text that I want. Okay, I'm just going to change that to Doriel Ailey test. Okay, so it should have a copyright symbol. It should have the year, and then it will have our text. Okay, so it currently says this, but as we preview, you'll see now it's got the information that we want. Okay, and that will always be there, and it will update each year. So let's just take that out and preview it again, just to double check, and there we go. The text has been removed. So because this is in the footer, that will copy along to any page. So I'm just going to add a page, and providing we're showing the footer, that will be there as well. Okay, so we're on the new page, and if we go over, okay, we've got the same information. Now, that's because we've written the code in the master pages. Okay, it's all in here. If it was in the site page, then it would only work on that particular page, but anything in the footer or the header goes in the master pages. So that is how you can have a copyright symbol. Obviously you're going to need to be able to legally enforce that, but the correct date, year even, along with the information you want.